Piazza del Popolo. The Piazza del Popolo on the north side of the piazza marks one end, while the east is dominated by the Passagiera del Pincio. This piazza served as an exposition hall, a stadium, and a theater for popular plays. The face of the piazza changed a great deal from the 1400s to the 1800s, with the reconstruction of the church of Santa Maria del Popolo. This placement of the Flaminian obelisk at the center of the piazza and the addition of neoclassical elements by Giuseppe Valadier. Piazza del Popolo, located at a 5-minute walk from Piazza di Spagna, was initially designed by architect Nanni di Baccio in 1562 and was later redesigned by Valadier in 1811, even though he published his first proposal in 1794. As far as symmetry is concerned, the piazza also lies in the northern gate in the Aurelian walls, earlier known as the Porta Flaminia of ancient Rome, but now called Porta del Popolo. This concept of symmetry can be seen in the piazza with the two symmetric churches situated close to each other. However, Valadier's true masterstroke was in the way he designed the piazza's height in correspondence with the height of the Pincian Hill of ancient Rome, which overlooked the space from the east. He swept away informally terraced gardens that once belonged to the Augustinian monastery connected with Santa Maria del Popolo. In its place, he created a carriage drive that doubled back upon itself and a pedestrian steps leading up beside a waterfall to the Pincio Park, where a balustrade lookout supported by a triple-arched nymphaeum is backed by a wide gravelled opening set on axis with the piazza below. Formerly planted bouquets of trees flank the open space. Valadier has tried to preserve green space, and the entire structure is three-dimensional. The space has been used well, and the entire design is quite modern, keeping in mind the era it was built in. It was first established to impress pilgrims who entered the city via Flaminia and was also used for public executions till 1826. Until the construction of railways in the 19th century, visitors from abroad entered the city of Rome through the Piazza del Popolo. The area acquired its monumental profile under Pope Sixtus V, who supervised the construction of twin churches opposite the gateway into the square and the placement of an Egyptian obelisk in the center. In Giovanni Battista Piranesi's, a famous Italian artist, view, the obelisk extends almost from top to bottom of the composition, dwarfing the spectators gesturing beneath it and the coaches that circulate nearby. Radiating into the distance are the three great avenues that lead, as Piranesi's caption reminds us, to the three popular tourist destinations, namely the Piazza di Spagna, the Palazzo di Venezia, and the Porto di Ripetta.